This quick honest review is of the Libman 3021 Gator Mop Refill 9 inches. Let me show you. So this is a mop replacement head for a Libman Gator Mop. Just pull it out here. So this is just the mop replacement head that you clip onto the end of your Gator Mop. I'm sure you're probably aware if you have one. It's going to eventually you're going to need to replace this, and Libman do a great job of selling these replacement ones. Really simple and easy to unclip and put and clip the new one in. Really good quality sponge, and a nice rough surface as well. One thing just to be careful of now, Libman do a whole bunch of different mops. This is the 9-inch size. They also do an 11-inch, which is bigger than this. So really important tip for you is to measure your mop. So you really want to just measure the length of it. So this is the 9-inch. And there is a bigger one as well that it's 11-inch, and I'm sure they probably got some others that I'm not aware of. Price point for the 9-inch on Amazon is $11, so not too bad a price. You can obviously shop around, but there's obviously super easy with Amazon, and with their return policy that's second to none. It's sort of the default. Price point not too bad. Great product though. The Libman mops work really well, and the replacements are super easy to use. So I'm definitely going to give this a thumbs up and recommend this product. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.